Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and securing a backup so you can roll back if needed. Download the Realm world to your device now. This preserves player builds and settings. While that downloads, check whether you're on Java versus Bedrock and note the current version number shown in-game. Once done, sign into the account that owns the Realm and open the Realms menu. This sets you up to safely change the Realm version without losing progress or mixing additions. You now upload the backup back to the Realm and choose the version you want the Realm to run. From the Realm configuration, hit Upload World, pick the file you saved, and then open the version dropdown to select the target release. Make sure to choose a compatible version for your player base. Major downgrades or cross-edition switches can remove blocks or break redstone. Once selected, confirm the upload and wait for the server to process and restart with the new version. After the Realm restarts, you should join immediately and test critical areas, farms, redstone, command blocks, and inventories to confirm everything behaves as expected. If you encounter broken features or crashes, stop and restore the backup by re-uploading the saved world. This returns players to the previous stable state. Make sure to consult server logs or ask players for specific error details so you can identify whether a mod, add-on, or version incompatibility caused the issue and plan a next step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.